You've learned to make decisions with if and elif, but sometimes one decision leads to another. How do you get your code to pass one test and then check something else? And how can you check if an item is part of a group? Let's unlock a deeper level of control in Python. This is a nested if statement. Think of it as a condition inside another condition. Here, we first check if the user is logged in. Only if that's true do we move on to the inner check. Does their cart have any items? The inner if is completely dependent on the outer one. This allows you to create precise, multi-level logic, just like passing through a series of security doors. What if you need to check if a value exists within a list? Instead of writing a long if statement with lots of ors, you can use the in keyword. It elegantly checks for membership. It asks, is the user role in the permissions list? If it finds a match, the condition is true. This is a clean and highly readable way to see if something belongs to a group. Finally, let's look at the is keyword. It's different from the double equals equals equals. While equals checks if two variables have the same value, is checks if they are the exact same object in memory. It's like asking if two people are twins versus asking if they're the very same person. You'll most often use is to check if a variable is none, which is Python's special way of representing nothing. With nested conditions and the in and is operators, your logical toolkit is now more powerful than ever. You can build complex, precise, and readable checks to manage any scenario. Ready to practice? Try the pet age classification problem on CodeChef to apply these new skills.